but you're never gonna be.
Welcome to AR Ride, your go-to channel for exciting automotive and aviation content. Today, we are diving into one of the most iconic aircraft in aviation history, the Boeing 747, also known as the Jumbo Jet. This aircraft revolutionized air travel with its massive size, incredible range, and advanced engineering. The Boeing 747 was first introduced in 1969 by Boeing and quickly became a favorite for airlines worldwide due to its ability to carry more passengers and cargo than any other aircraft at the time. It features a distinctive hump on the upper deck, which originally housed a luxurious lounge area but later evolved into additional seating for increased passenger capacity. The aircraft can accommodate over 400 passengers in a typical 3-class configuration, with some models capable of seating more than 600 in an all-economy layout. Powered by 4 high-performance engines, such as the General Electric CF6, Pratt & Whitney JT9D, or Rolls-Royce RB211, the Boeing 747 delivers exceptional thrust and efficiency. The aircraft boasts a cruising speed of approximately 570 miles per hour and a maximum range of around 8,000 nautical miles, making it ideal for long-haul international flights. Its high-wing design and advanced aerodynamics contribute to its stability and smooth flight performance, even in turbulent conditions. One of the standout features of the Boeing 747 is its cargo carrying capability. The freighter version, the Boeing 747-8F, is one of the largest cargo planes in the world, capable of transporting oversized goods, including heavy machinery and even other aircraft components. The aircraft's unique nose loading door allows for easy loading and unloading of large cargo items, making it a preferred choice for logistics companies worldwide. Safety has always been a priority for Boeing, and the 747 is equipped with state-of-the-art avionics, navigation systems, and redundant safety measures. Over the years, advancements in technology have led to more fuel-efficient and environmentally friendly variants, such as the Boeing 747-8, which features improved aerodynamics and quieter, more fuel-efficient engines. Despite the rise of twin-engine long-haul aircraft like the Boeing 787 and Airbus A350, the 747 remains a symbol of aviation excellence and a favorite among aviation enthusiasts. As airlines gradually retire older 747 models, the aircraft continues to serve in cargo operations, VIP transport, and even military applications. Its legacy in shaping modern air travel is undeniable, and it will always hold a special place in the hearts of pilots, passengers, and aviation fans worldwide. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content about legendary vehicles, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to AR Ride. Stay tuned for more exciting videos, and we'll see you in the next one.